Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. But before we proceed to our new lesson, let's do pre-assessment. You're going to complete each sentence. Choose the answer inside the box. Write the answer in the chat box. Now, study this picture carefully. Where does the seeds germinate? Is it light or dark? Is it warm or cold? Or is there a water? Today we're going to learn about lesson 1.10. Do seeds need light? On your student book, it is on page number 18 to 19. For the learning objective of this lesson, to investigate if seeds need light to germinate. Before we go further to our lesson, let's define first the keyword. The keyword is light. Light is the brightness that comes from things such as the sun, stars, and lamps. Now, let's begin the discussion. Observe what will happen to this video. Where will seeds sprout and grow faster? Now, look at this picture. It shows two different seeds that grow into two different conditions, without light and with light. How are the seeds growing in the dark without any light? What are the similarities between the seeds in the two different conditions? What are the differences between the seeds into two different conditions? And which plants would do better in the garden? The ones grow in the light or darkness? Why? What all seed needs to
Germination
grow?
of seeds.
Watch this
We
video
see many
carefully.
plants around us in our garden, but do you know how these plants are grown? A plant grows from the seed when it is provided with the necessary conditions like water, temperature, and carbon dioxide. This process of a seed sprouting into a plant with the help of the ideal condition is known as germination of seeds. Let us conduct an experiment to see how seeds germinate. Take a small pot from your garden and fill it with good soil. Then sow some pumpkin seeds into the pot. The pot should be kept in a warm place so that it gets enough sunlight. You can place the pot on the windowsill. Now add a little amount of water to moisten the soil. You have to water the pot for a few days. After a week, you will notice a tiny plant sprouting out of the seed. We provided all the conditions like water, temperature, and carbon dioxide for the seeds to germinate. Had we not watered the pot, it would have never germinated. Or if we had kept it under the table, it would have not got germinated due to the lack of sunlight. Hence, all these are the ideal conditions which are important for the germination of seeds. Seed dispersal. We know that seeds germinate into plants. What if all the seeds of the plant are sown below the parent plant? The new plants would not survive because the place would be too crowded and they would not get enough sunlight as well. To avoid this, the seeds are scattered in nature by wind, water, and animals. Dispersal of seeds is a process in which the seeds are scattered and spread in the
Now, let's do the first assessment. Click this link and do the quiz. For the plenary, we will do in Mentimeter. The link will be provided in the online class. that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot. Take care and keep safe, everyone.